Hey guys, in this video we're tackling how to hide those desktop elements that just don't vibe on mobile and whip up some mobile only magic instead. Let's get started. As you can see, we are in the mobile view section of the WIX editor. One thing to be aware of about the mobile view, WIX automatically creates a mobile friendly view when you initially build your website, and during that process it may automatically hide certain elements that are not well optimized for mobile devices. These often include elements placed outside the grid lines, elements that cause a layout problem due to insufficient space, elements with complex hover interactions, and certain third-party apps or video backgrounds. To remove an element from the mobile layout and place it into the holding panel, select the element in the mobile editor view. We're going to select this element, so I'll click in here, left click. Now keep in mind, when you initially left click on this element, you're actually selecting the whole section. So the section called welcome is highlighted with this purple border. So if we were to go ahead and try to hide this element with the way it's selected now, we would actually hide the whole section. We don't want to do that. So we want to left click again, and now this element, known as a strip, is selected, and you can tell that by the blue border. So to hide this element, let's select this icon, which is called Hide Element. Looks like an eye with a slash through it. Click that. So that element's been removed from our layout, and it's now in the Hidden on Mobile panel over here in the left column. And keep in mind, this action does not delete the element. It just removes it from the mobile page's structure and adds it to the Hidden on Mobile list. The desktop version remains completely unaffected. You can hide entire sections this way to streamline the mobile experience. To bring a hidden element back into the mobile structure, you click on the Hidden on Mobile tool on the left side of the mobile editor, which we already have open. So you would click this icon right here, which again is the eye with a slash through it. You find the element or section you want to restore in the panel. As you can see, we have different options here. You can hover your mouse over any one of these to see what was removed. So for instance, here's what was removed a few minutes ago. You click the Show Element icon next to this element right here to restore it. As you can see, we now have it back on our layout. And once unhidden, the element will reappear on the mobile page, and you can then drag and drop it to your desired position. A little tip I discovered too is if all of a sudden I decided, okay, I want to hide this again, it's not positioned where I want it presently, we can just click this back arrow to undo. That puts it back in the Hidden on Mobile, and our structure is intact. So the main purpose of this tool is to allow you to customize the content and complexity of the mobile site without compromising the full design of the desktop site. Now for the fun part, creating mobile-only alternatives. Can you add elements to your mobile site only? You sure can. There are a number of mobile-only elements you can add from the mobile editor by clicking Add to Mobile. Add to Mobile, let's click off here first, is right here. It says plus sign. Click this. So here you can select different kinds of text. You have theme text, titles, paragraphs, collapsible text. If you want to select an image, you can upload images, import images, use site images. Here's free WIX images. So for instance, say in this box right here, we wanted to add, let's just say we want to add this image right here. We'll go ahead and just grab it, drop it, drag it, and then resize it any way we want. And let's say it's a little off center, you can click the toolbar here, and with this highlighted, you can click, let's get it in there. Click this icon right here, which is a line, select that, and this will center it. Click off. And there you have it. We now have an image in that blank box that we had. And like I said, you can click here and add images. You can add buttons. You can change colors. You can add social media, icons. There's a lot you can do. So you can definitely customize the mobile view. And keep in mind, when you're doing this and adding, any of these buttons, these images, text boxes, you're only doing this on the mobile layout. This does not affect the desktop layout. So you can really have a lot of fun with this and just, go crazy and spruce up your website, your mobile layout, and make it look, how you want it. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you learned a few things about hiding elements and customizing your layout with additional images, text box, buttons, etc. Remember to save your work. Okay, all of our work has been saved. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more beginner-friendly WIX tips. Have a great day.